Hi, welcome to your next car. It's a quick walk around video of BJ16MMU, the F36 435 Grand Coupe, finished in sapphire black metallic. Quick walk around of the spec and the condition. So we start with the front here. We've got the xenon headlights, the matte and performance style splitter fitted in house, the matte front kidney grills, and xenon headlights, 19-inch wheels with brand new tyres. It's got the upgraded air brakes, blue calipers, side sills, decals. The wheels are staggered fitment, so wider on the rear. We've got the gloss rear spoiler, rear diffuser. These are this factory privacy glass on this model. Automatic headlights, rain sensors, park sensor standard, electric boot is also standard. This is the twin turbo 4-wheel drive model with the 8-speed paddle shift gearbox. As you can see, the bodywork is absolutely gleaming. 3-stage polish and detail. This one's got the complementing coral red Dakota leather. Electric front seats with driver's memory, all electrics, electric mirrors, automatic lights. That's the paddle shift which we spoke about, multifunction steering, cruise control. It's 70,000 miles on this one. Professional widescreen sat nav, heated seats. Next oil service during 14,000 miles, and it's got full BMW history. So we've got 3 services on the iDrive. Very quickly show you the professional sat nav, DAB, auxiliary USB and Bluetooth audio, and the leather is in very tidy condition. Got the gloss black inlays there with the silver accents. Thanks for watching.